Hello Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. This is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading for the month of July. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your love life, you've got the Ten of Swords and the Lover's card. Oh my God. I do see that you're waiting for some sort of good news coming your way or some sort of, rapid developments happening in your life, especially if you're single or in a relationship, even if you're married. But unfortunately, that is not happening, right? Why is that not happening? If you are in a situationship or if you're single and you're talking to other people, let me tell you that your partner or the people you're talking to have other options. Their attention is not just on you, but they are choosing as to which partner to choose, right? And you're just one of them. Same goes for you if you are in a relationship or marriage, by the way. There is 100% chance that there is an extramarital affair going on, probably from your partner's side and not you. So definitely lover's side means that your partner is involved somewhere else as well. So that is the probably the delay. If your relationship is being delayed and your partner is not really committing to marriage, this is why. If you are in a situationship and it is not turning into a relationship, this is why. If you are married and you're not getting the kind of peace, harmony or love from your partner, this is why. There is no work which is involved but a third party. Now this third party is usually is a romantic partner, but this can also be the family and friends of your spouse which want to break this relationship because they don't want that to happen. Probably the family is forcing them to meet other people, and especially if it's an intercaste or other issues as well, when your in-laws don't like you, they will try to break your relationship or fix your partner with someone else. There is a huge chance. So please identify who is this person and try to talk to your partner to end this third party immediately. In your career, you've got the Eight of Stars and the Five of Suns. You could be dealing with a Gemini Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Gemini Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. Some of you can fall sick during this week, so please take care of your health. You can have depression, or you can go into extreme overthinking or negative thinking as well. I do see that you're worried about your career a lot, like the kind of business that you're doing. You might have a lot of competitors or jealousy around you, or if you're waiting for a job offer or promotion, you might find yourself in a situation where there are already multiple applicants for the same job or position, right? But no matter how tough the competition is, it is going to be your success. Five of Suns here talks about a success which is coming your way, you winning in some way. The companies are choosing you, your customers, your clients are choosing you, no matter how tough the competition is. So there is absolutely no point of worrying or going into a negative thinking pattern. If you try to maintain a positive thinking pattern, you will automatically see that you will come first. You will be chosen. So please make sure that you are not affecting your health because of your career. And yes, stay away from jealous people, and also do not be too proud when you get that kind of success, because that can hamper your growth as well, and the opportunity that has been presented to you can also be taken away. So be very, very careful when it comes to pride. So this was your overall week. Career wise, it looks good. Health wise, not so good, and personal life is also affected. So please take care of that. I hope you guys resonated with this reading. If you think you did, please do like, share, and subscribe my channel. And this was a general reading. If you think you have specific questions on your mind which needs to be answered, you can book a personal reading for yourself. I do take rituals and counseling sessions and a host of other services. You can check out the description box for details, and to make any booking you can either email me or directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram as well. Show some love, subscribe to my channel. It is a new one, and yes, you will also get to know the prices of each services since I keep on posting it on my stories Instagram. So yes, my cheapest reading that starts is 170 rupees, and 170 rupees you will be able to ask one question, and of course there are different prices as well. So take care of yourself. I'm going to see you very soon. I hope you subscribe my channel, and I hope you will follow me on Instagram. Take care. Bye bye.